Hello. We're getting ready to leave the beach house. We've been working down here for a couple days. There's a car all loaded with our stuff to get back. We didn't do much out here, but we pretty much got the kitchen almost all done. Thank goodness. This is my cracked ice table. We did it at home and brought it down. These are the legs we got at Thrift City. They're from restaurant tables, and we did the metal edging, and we made it to fit this little hutch thing, and then we painted the electrical, and then we did this thing here was covering up the electric wire things in a closet here when we got it. And so we notched here to fit, and then we covered it all with pegboard. Let me see if I can show you the side here. See, and then we got to make something to cover up down there. But it's pretty much, that's it. We got to do something up there to cover that hole. There was some sort of a stack there. We don't know what it was for. Then we covered these ends of the cabinet. I think there was a closet here. Yes, there was a closet here that I tore out. And then there was a giant fridge right here that I took out. And that's why this was open. So I covered that. It's just a cupboard. And then up here is where there was a doorway. No, wait. No, it was here. See, it's even hard for me to tell. There was a doorway here with folding bifold doors closing this all off. And then the floor had a funny angle. I don't even remember where that was. Oh, there's my new rug I'm testing out from Wally World. Then I moved the hi-fi into the kitchen. I'm using it like a hi-fi bar. It's early, so my voice isn't right yet. So, I can play my tunes on there. And then this is just, I don't know if I showed these or not. I think I did. We custom made these little shelves to match the cracked ice. There's my beautiful sink. I love this sink. And yes, there's one there. This is an old office lamp that I use for my oven light. And Mr. Retros cut that little shelf for me. So we've got pegboard all along here, which I like. And the stove works great. So there's another shelf I did. So it's pretty much coming together. My ice machine died, so I don't have anything there. So I don't know if I'm going to get another one or not. So it's come together pretty well. Oh, I use this to stream my music. It's a Marshall Bluetooth speaker thing. So there's how that looks. Then we took, I made these new cushions. Those other ones were so thin. So I just bought these cushion forms at Joann's and covered them with this. I think this is a vintage, yeah. It's like a vintage fabric. And the old cushions that I had in here matched perfectly because I ran out of material to make the cording. Oh, and here's the TV. Let me show you. Let me see here. Oh, there's the heater's right in the way. This is that Hoffman TV. We got it. See, it just goes right on. And we put and then there's the DVD player. Goes on. We put the Bose speaker down here inside, and we've got the VHS and the DVD player hidden back here behind my TV lamp. Let's see if I can get this guy going, but it comes right on. There it goes. There it is.
I want it.
And so, and that's got a flat screen in there. And there's a really weird movie. So that's it on that. But I like it. It looks really period. You know, we don't have this heater here when we're here, but we're getting ready to leave, so we leave these on low. Oops. And I just turn it off. I hung some of my art up too. So I really like it. Wait, look, it's smaller footprint than the hi-fi. Oh, I got this cool candle holder in Shores the other day. Let's see, I hung this art here. This is one of my favorite paintings. And getting a reflection there. My Fred painting. And then you got my Gentrol. Let's see, anything else? Yes, I hung this painting. I don't know if you can see it in the hallway here. And nothing new here. No. I will turn these lights off. Nothing new here. Oh, got a new shower curtain. I hated to give up my beautiful gingerbread boy shower curtain. I got a wax melter there. Yes, that's off. Okay. And in here, oh, I repaired this crown of thorns frame up here. Boy, is that a puzzle to figure that out. But I kind of cut some stuff and sort of monkeyed it in there. So, and then this is just some Christmas cards I had, and that's from the box. It's just a paint by number Jesus, but I really like the way it looks in here. So, let's see, anything else? Nothing new. And anything in here? There's the TV from the wall. We're going to mount it in here. Oh, I finally put my message on. I got this message board in Ocean Shores. And oops, I'm getting a reflection here. I'm getting a really bad reflection. Okay. But it's just an Oscar Wilde quote. That's all I can think of to put there. I don't have a menu or nothing or events. So, I think that's pretty much it. So, until next time, we were going to come down next week, but it's supposed to snow here, so we're going to skip it and come down the following week, maybe. Or both. I don't know. It depends. So, I will see you later. Bye-bye.